Welcome to Fulwari Education. Lesson 7. Pampas, the Temperate Grasslands. A chapter overview. The Temperate Grassland Pampas. The location and climate of Pampas. The vegetation and wildlife of Pampas. The people, their occupation and life of Pampas. Introduction. The temperate grasslands are located in the cool temperate zone between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. These grasslands are dominated by herbs, shrubs and grasses rather than trees. Very few trees grow here. The temperate grasslands are known by different names in different parts of the world, like pampas in South America, prairies in North America, downs in Australia, wells in South Africa and steppes in Asia. In this chapter we will discuss about pampas grasslands of Argentina in South America. Location. Pampas are vast areas of tall grasses located in Argentina, officially known as Argentine Republic, lies in the continent of South America. Its southeast part is bound by the Atlantic Ocean, and in the west the Andes mountain range borders it. It is bordered by Paraguay and Bolivia in the north, Brazil and Uruguay in the northeast, and Chile in the west. Argentina is the 8th largest country in the world. Climate. Argentina experiences a variety of climates. It is chiefly temperate with extremes of temperature and rainfall. The Pampas has hot summers with thunderstorms and cool winters. The region receives coastal influence. There is a major difference between the temperature of summers and winters. The annual rainfall amounts between 25 cm 70 cm. Such type of climate is called as a continental climate. The Pampero are the cool winds. The Pampero are usually accompanied by humid conditions with severe rain, hail and thunderstorm. These are followed by dry, cold and dusty winds, resulting crops damage and also affect animal life. Vegetation. Because of receiving very low rainfall, the Pampas cannot support forests but forever the growth of thick grasses in the region. The most common grass grown here is known as alfalfa, which is a lush green and rich grass. It is consumed by cows and sheep as their fodder. It can be cut and used several times in a year as it has fast-growing nature. The Pampas region is suitable for growing cereals like wheat, corn, oat, barley and rye. Most of the region is used for rearing animals. They are raised on ranches that are divided into several sections and fenced. Wildlife. A variety of amazing animals and birds are seen in these grasslands. These animals in Pampas have adapted themselves to live in the windy grassland. Most of them live on grass or underground. Even owls too build nests in underground burrows here. The central Pampas are inhabited by the Pampas cat and the rhea, that is a flightless big bird. An amazing mammal, Geoffroy's cat, is found here that has a grey coat and black striped legs. Other animals found here are guanacos, opossum, armadillo, fox, jaguar, llama, rodent and puma. People, their occupation and life. About 65% or more population of Argentina live in the Pampas. Most of them have come from Spain and Italy, and some from other European countries and Mid-Eastern countries also. They are hunters and wanderers. Men known as gauchos, the cowboys, or horsemen engaged in rearing cattle and taming wild horses. Gauchos is a term used to describe residents of the South American Pampas. They work in large farms called ranches. They wear wide-brimmed hats called sombreros, ponchos and loose pair of trousers tucked into boots. People are farmers, gauchos, and convert grasslands into farmlands. The region is thinly populated and modern machines are used for farming. The ranchers, the gauchos, and other people who work on farms live together in large and comfortable houses built in a part of ranch. The waste straw, dried stems, and leaves are left behind on the fields or bale. People of Pampas lead a good life with all the modern facilities. The official language is Spanish, called as Castellano by Argentines. Bread made of flour and meat is the staple food of the people. The people of the region have contributed remarkable in the field of art and culture. Recall: regions located between 10 on and 1005 latitudes are known as equatorial regions. Congo River is the second longest river of Africa. The Congo Basin has hot, humid, and dry climate throughout the year. The land of Congo is covered with dense forests like tropical rainforests. The dense forests also support a wide variety of wildlife. The major people of Congo follow the Christianity while remaining are Muslims. The Batu tribes is famous in DRC. Coffee, rubber, tea, cocoa, palm and sugar are main cash crops of DRC. Kinshasa is the capital as well as the largest city of Democratic Republic of Congo.
Like, share and subscribe.